Okay, so hello everyone. This is part 7 of JavaScript playlist. Okay, so in this video we are going to discuss about operators, operators in JavaScript. Okay, so let's see what are the operators are there in JavaScript. Okay, so let's check one by one. So first operator is assignment operator. Assignment operator. Okay, assignment operator is like, okay, it is like simply this symbol equals to symbol. All right. And then after assignment operator, we have arithmetic operator, arithmetic operators. Okay. So what are the arithmetic operators? Plus, okay, minus, right? Division, multiplication, and modulus. Okay. So these are what? Arithmetic operators. Now we have shorthand operator. Shorthand operators. Okay. Shorthand operators. Okay. I don't need to write this operators again and again because already mentioned in heading. We are discussing about operators. So shorthand. So what are the shorthand operators? So like plus equals to, okay, and then we have minus equals to, then we can use like division equals to, all right, then we can use multiplication equals to. So these all are the shorthand operators. We will write the code, then you can easily understand what's the meaning of it. Then after that we have conditional, okay, conditional operator. So what are the conditional operator? Less than, okay, less than equals to, right, and then less than equals to, then greater than equals to, right, and not equals to, okay, not equals to equals to. So these are what? These are the conditional operator. Whenever some conditions we need to evaluate in our projects, so we use this conditional operator. Okay. Then we have unary operator. Unary operators. So what are the unary operators? So unary operators like increment plus plus, okay, decrement minus minus. So these are what? Unary operator. Then we have logical operators. Logical operators. Okay. So what are the logical operators are there? Okay, let me remove operators. Okay. Logical operators are what? Like double double ampersand symbol, and then we can say double pipe symbol. This is OR operator. Okay, and then we have, like, we can say this NOR operator. Sorry, XOR operator. Okay, this is also a logical operator. Then after that we have ternary operator. Ternary operator. We will learn this operator in detail while writing the code. Okay, so this has question mark and equals to. Okay, this is the ternary operators. This evaluate on 3 operators, right? And after that we have equality operators. So equality operators are like what? Double equals to and triple equals to. So we will see the difference between double equals to and triple equals to. All right. So thank you everyone for watching this video. In the next video, we will discuss each operator while writing the code. Okay, we will learn in detail. All right. We will discuss this in code in the next video. All right. Thank you everyone.